with those people, those two guys, the mom and the son. What are those called again?
You have no idea I have no idea what you're talking about, to be honest.
No, we have spoken about it before. It's
The mom and the
like,
son.
yeah, and I think the son is called like Tobias.
I have no idea what you're talking about.
You know the Swedish movie.
Tobias? No idea. No idea, man.
Bro, it's the funniest movie where they live in the house that's like super trashed or whatever.
Bubben.
You know?
Is
Yes,
it?
yes, exactly.
I don't know
You
what.
sound so much like them,
Come
like your
on.
Swedish accent. It sounds like exactly like them.
Nah. Uranium. Hello, pig. All right. We have to start planning the next video already. Yeah.
Before we do that, Lucas, talk a lie. Is that your life? You know,
No, I actually have it a little bit better. Okay.
little bit better. You don't live with your mom.
Yeah, exactly.
Everything else is great. Yeah.
Oh, she still have this weight const maestr at vector 14 u equals hello world. That's the
That's
spirit.
insane.
Okay, guys, we're gonna change quickly the thumbnail because we're gonna start working on planet attraction. So let's go in and take.
On child labor.
Yeah, I got you.
Yeah.
So I think what we'll do is that we'll do a as always just a normal like so, and then we'll do sig build run, and this should be fine. It is. I think I should have a render option too. I do kind of have it. Let's go to the renderer real quick, and then we're gonna go into the not the init, but this one. We're not gonna draw. I should actually have it as a debug if should be drawn. Yo, what's up, T-Chef? I don't know how I should do it, but I'm gonna change it to const debug underscore draw equals was like so then I can easily change it here, but we probably should.
No, because I was thinking about a nice meme that I've seen a long time ago, and I'm thinking this is kind of you off camera.
I know.
Watch it on stream. Also stream your screen, bro.
Wait, let me just found expected type bool found bool. What? While shit. How do I? Am I not screaming? Shit.
No, not on Discord.
Damn.
But bro, you got that what I sent you. It's Lucas off camera.
Wait. First, let me just if debug draw, and then I'm gonna do this, and we're gonna go to. Wait, why did it go so far down? It shouldn't have gone. Oh, no, I know why. Because I should be inside of this thing, and then it should be going there. Yeah. And I'm gonna put it here. Not one of those. Why can I not just... Okay. One of those, yeah. So, that should work. Yeah. So now we want to draw the debug. We will have the planet sphere. Amazing. There should be the trees. The trees are there. Great. We are not gonna... They have colliders. Very nice. All right, I'm gonna take this thing over to here. Not both of these, just this one. What the fuck? That's okay, it's a bit stretched. We'll probably look into that. So as active today, I have 74 lines still to make. Hello, Agent T999 assignment. Damn, whoa. Ooh, sexy ball. Yeah. What subject is the assignment about? Some kind of mental health of people. Worst topic I got. Damn. Okay, let's see. Should I take the tree in the picture? Doesn't really matter. We're taking this. We're taking the tree with us. With us. Yeah. I put the.
Make it more stretched.
Oh. No. Actually, this one is actually better to keep here. We'll put these ones over there. Boom. And this thing belongs in a museum. It belongs here. All right. So let's quickly just change the thumbnail, right? Shall we? Bam! Look at that. There's our planet with a beautiful tree. Crazy. How do I want this? Like that? Yes. Okay. I'm thinking, what would illustrate implementing gravity, right? We're gonna quickly. Should I just do a stick figure like that's stick figure? We don't. It's not gonna be seen. Is what I'm trying to say. I like blue. Pink is also pretty cool. This is horrendous. Let's do cyan. That. And where do I change the size on this thing? There. Okay, that's pretty good. Whee! Smiley face. And then we will do a beautiful arrow. Everybody likes arrows. Why can't I change the color? Like so. Maybe that's a bit too dark red. I want something like that. Yes. And then everybody understands that that is gravity, right? I understand that that's gravity. We'll leave the beautiful tree there for no reason. And then I wanna do, so we get the black also there. Shit. Wait, can I do this? Of course, my color picker. Oh, there. Boom. Brrr. Put it there. Easy. Nailed it. First try. Now, if that doesn't say gravity, I don't know what says gravity. Let's also spell it out, maybe. Just to show my art skills, guys.
Lucas,
tell me.
Watch the video I sent you. It's you off camera. You gotta watch
it. Yeah, wait.
Grass.
T. There, that's the new thumbnail. Everybody,
T.
like and
T after that also. Gravity, and then T-I. Yeah.
You're such a funny man, you know that, right? We can actually save as this one, I guess.
Yes.
Nah, I don't care about this one. This was too easy work. We're just exporting it. Where do we export it to? The whole thing, not just that. Yeah, export. And we're gonna put it in home. And in root here, we're gonna overwrite that thing, yes. Boom. And now, if I go idle, it should be updated, yeah. All right, guys. Hello, Fun Studio. Okay, so we quickly just...
Fun Studio.
Yes. Let's just quickly change the thumbnail here, shall we? So it's also get the... Oh, that's from the video. Whoopsie daisy that I just uploaded. Blah. Home. And there. Select that thing. Crazy. Uploading. I think it will be fine, right? I hope it will be fine. All right. So, yeah, what I wanted to do actually before we move on to that
is watch the video I sent you.
Yeah, that.
Yes, I knew it.
Yes, that was the thing. Yes. As long as I don't get copyrighted for this thing.
I don't think you should.
All right, I will trust you on that one.
This is Lucas off camera, all right? Yeah, ignore the start.
Today's subject is slavery.
Damn. Off camera? What does this have to do with anything?
This is Lucas off camera. It's you off camera.
I don't think so, man.
No, I think so. That's Lucas when he isn't streaming.
Oh, man. Okay, what we have to do is change this slightly. When we load here, we need to actually allocate the path on the thing. Otherwise, it will not be good.
Ping you finner me.
I will do that. If it's not null. Okay, I will have to change this slightly because otherwise this will be kind of funny. we can do this. We can take it away from here. We can do that. And then here we can do a const path is equal to this thing. If path is not equal to null, yikes, I don't like doing that because that is kind of misleading now. Found path, I guess. Found path. Yeah, we provide path, and if found path, then if it's not null, then we can return found path, so it will be allocated. It's the allocated path, and if it is null, that means we have to create the thing, and we will provide it to the loader, and it will load the thing. And then what we can do here, oh, we can actually reuse this thing. Wait, like that, yeah, bam. We can call it variable, and basically we can go here, there, and then here we can just say found path is equal to do I have access to allocator? I have self. No, I think you should pass in the allocator if you're gonna be using an allocator. Even though I could use self. But I think it's clearer. Allocator. Like so. Allocator dot create. No. Allocator dot. What is it? What is it called? Let's create. Copy. Copyright. I don't even remember. Dupe set. It's dupe. Yeah. U8, and I want the path like so, and then here what we do is we store found path. Yo, what's up, T-Chef? T-Chef.
Yo, T-Chef. T-Chef.
TD-Chef. Okay.
I just finished coming back from 10 hours school, bro, and I'm so cooked.
Your mic also did that, I can hear.
Oh yeah, now wait, I think you hear my keyboard, right?
Okay, now we don't hear your keyboard, but now we barely hear you because
Wait,
cut
but
out.
now it works, right? Now? Hello?
Yeah, but it's really shit quality. But there is no keyboard or anything.
Wait, let me press my keyboard.
Right.
We get like a little taps, but it's like super quiet.
Alright. And my mic quality is shit now?
Where's my mouse?
My quality is shit and it cuts out.
Holy bro. Okay, wait, I'm watching a video.
Holy bro.
Like actually, is it
Yeah,
that
holy
deep
bro.
to make noise reduction on your microphone? Like, bro, I think that's gonna be my next project, bro.
Yeah, exactly. I was thinking
Like, it
that's
doesn't seem like any tool I try works.
Why is it selecting that thing?
Right.
I'm trying to be quite explicit with that. I don't care about that. I want this one.
No,
Oh, now it does it. Okay.
I don't think so, Lucas.
Shut up. I do have the allocator in here,
No.
do I? I do have the allocator. Good. And I don't know why it's typing over there now. Allocate. Fuck! Allocator.
Alright, guys, so we'll watch a video on noise reduction. Be right back.
Alright, that's good. Like so. Now we can go back to this one. And now I think in theory this should work. We should be able to just try to allocate this thing, passing in that. Don't really need to do anything with the path if it's found. Wait, what? Well, we don't have to reassign it back because the path will still be the same on hot reload. Yeah, okay, what is the problem? The problem is that expected Okay, so here it's expected. Because it could be an error. No, wait, it's that one that's a problem. Wait. Well, yeah, it's guaranteed if it's not null. Okay, it's about error union. What? Oh, is that right? It's actually not found path. Oh my god. If it's not null, dot. I was hoping to get not the.
Wait, Lucas, can I see your code here?
How do I get? I thought this would return both the key and value. This get only returns the value apparently. Is it get? Is it get entry? Probably I have to do that. Get entry instead.
What's it? Yeah, that's
both. Yeah, I need both in this case. So then I need to use the key. I want to return the key, and then I cannot use this thing. I thought I could. So maybe I should change instead of found path to call it how do I find and replace within block? Something like like that, but I don't remember. Okay, we'll just do it manually. It's no biggie. Found object, found GLTF. GLTF. So it finds the GLTF, it returns the key. That should be fine, yeah. Expected pointer dereference optional unwrap field found. What? And then here, and then what should I call this thing? I cannot call it path, return path, because I kind of need the new path. I will call it new path. And now I forgot that. It's okay. And then we can go to the beginning. Go here, once. Let's see. What? It didn't change? Well, then we'll just do this. New path. Okay, let's see. No errors. Go back to systems. And I think that should be it. So now it should load the trash bag. Okay, so far so good. We have the trash bag right there. And let's do a hot reload. So we'll just do a smiley face there and we'll hot reload. Come on, please, please, please. It did work, nice. And yeah. That's fantastic, actually. We could even, if we wanted to, if I change the hot reload to do this, we don't have to do it like that. I don't understand why we get 2 hot reloads on one, but it does. Now it should do the 3. Right, we need the allocator. And because it finds the 3 being allocated already once, it should reuse the information about the 3. And oh, it crashed instead. Trash bag. Interesting. Right, I should have updated it. That's my fault. Yes, that's okay. Let's see. No, we can still leave it like this, so we can still try it out like this. Okay, let's see. And then we can go here, we can say model.model.gltf is equal to that. And now it shouldn't crash, and it should load both as 3s and only once load the... Yes, perfect. Only loaded the path. No, I can print twice, but it doesn't load the second time that 3 model again because it's already in memory. So we're happy about it. That collision doesn't seem... Oh, yeah. The hitboxes ain't right. That I forgot about that. I was like, that looks very funny. So if I change this to true... There it is. Yeah, the hitbox is inaccurate, actually. That looks so weird. Yeah, no, it is accurate.
Yo, what's up?
Yo, what's up? Is your planet giving me the middle finger? What?
Wait, guys. I need a feedback. How's my mic sounding?
It's okay.
It's good. Yeah, it's alright.
It's alright. I mean, it could be worse.
Like, and wait, so do I cut out?
Yes.
For like half a second.
Immediately when you said the word cut out, immediately you cut out. It was so funny.
Nah, bro. But wait, but this just happened once. But right now I'm not cutting out.
Yeah, no, right now you're not cutting out.
I mean,
no.
you're cutting out for like a millisecond or so.
Yeah. Arch Linux experience, am I right?
Bro, I swear it's not. Nah. Wait a sec. My bro, I cooked eggs and they're finished. Be right back.
Yeah, it's an upside down tree, not the... Planet would never give you the upside down finger, am I right, boys? Who's with me? Where's the other tree? Ah, there it is.
No one is with you.
Oh, okay. It should work. You should be able to provide that I want a model, and then I don't want to do a planet. I want to do a
Wait, guys, how do you deal with like noise reduction?
What noise reduction?
I did nothing.
What?
Yeah, what noise reduction?
What noise reduction?
Don't tell me you don't use it.
I don't use anything.
no.
I'm a
Bro,
I
you
just...
both guys spend like 1,000k, 1k at for your mic?
No, I think my mic is like 50 euros maybe.
Maybe I
Hello,
should get a new
penguin
one,
operator.
because mine, I think I bought mine 5 years ago and it was 15 euros, so...
Oh, 15 euros. Damn, bro.
I
Mine is
already
probably like 50.
put it back together. It broke, and now it's like living on a few pieces of glue.
Well, I mean, that might be the issue.
Maybe.
So
We cannot know for sure.
Cutouts are coming from the noise reduction. It's not by default. By default, my mic captures everything, bro. I swear, when you say something in Sweden, my mic will capture it and you will get it back.
Yes,
I
of
don't
course.
have noise reduction. Yes. You know,
Oh
like
my
in someone's
God.
tutorial, as soon as he enabled noise reduction, he got like insane cutouts and said, "Oh yeah, probably when you have a good PC, this won't happen."
Right.
Like, what is that tutorial?
Okay, I'm gonna pray that this doesn't crash. It doesn't even compile. Thank God, unclear identifier What? Ah, yeah,
Because
that.
I don't want to spend money on my mic. I don't.
Just buy a new $50 mic and then combine them, and now it's a $30 mic.
Damn, that's smart.
Okay.
Or do you think anyone will
Oops.
take my glue together $15 mic for
Yeah,
$20?
you trade up, you know. Say that
Yes.
that your mom is kind of homeless.
Double it or give
and
it to
then
the
you buy
next
a new
one. Attempt to access null handle. Ah, no. Oh yeah, because I tried to do a trash bag. Shit. It's okay. I don't want that anyways.
You're trying to do a trash bag?
I was trying to do a trash bag. Damn, only 2 people, man. Lucas deserves more. Thank you, Joyous. 3 just fell on the planet, etc. Yeah, wait, is that how the universe came to be? Yes. That's just how the universe came to be. And then we all died, and that's just how it ended. True story, sad story.
That's how it goes.
Okay. Well, anyways, we probably now want to actually load the real thing and not this, not that, not this, and we can take this back. We can go here, select this. Fuck. No, shit, fuck. Okay, I'm nailing my there. Should still work the same way. Perfect. Why did it rotate slightly? Did it rotate slightly? I think it did rotate slightly. Wait, so what are we actually doing here? We're gonna start making so that there's a gravity to the planet, right? That's well, that's what we're gonna start to do here. Yeah, so I have to figure out how to do the camera because we kind of want the. I don't know what we want here, honestly. We want the camera to work. That's what we want. Inventing gravity. Wait, yeah, we're inventing gravity. You know, we're trying to become Newton or something. Whoever invented gravity, you know. That's basically what we're trying.
Why is your ball or your planet stretched always?
No, it's just the camera. You know, I don't really. You know, I could do this.
Oh.
Yeah. Or I could make it even. I could make it even worse.
Why don't you do your swap chain so that it doesn't stretch?
Don't tell me how to do my swap chain.
Stay away from my swap chain.
Stay away from my swap chain, man. So how many fuck ups? We don't talk about the fuck ups for right. That's right. We don't talk about the. We don't. There hasn't been enough though yet. So yeah, let's try to figure out gravity. That will happen in the physics place. Somewhere over here, I'm thinking. So here we do the updates for the physics, right? Yeah, there has been a lot of fuck ups going on about over here. As you can clearly see, I got some beautiful prints over here. The STD debug and another one, and then we have one over here and a third one right there.
Wait, is that Hyperpicker? Is it Hyperpicker?
No, this is Hyperpicker. I don't know what I'm using for this one. I don't remember. Is it Maybe it is Hyperpicker. Right.
Bro, I need some anti-aliasing for Lucas's game badly.
I think it's not bad.
Maybe we should swap the chain.
Shut.
Exactly.
Shut up.
Why is it even called swap chain though? Like, is it swapping a chain?
I'm using a
Or is it
hypermag
just a
for
chain
it.
of swapping.
For it's the hyperlet has the weirdest thing.
What?
The weirdest uses.
What?
Yeah, I should make hyper Lucas. It's just like a Lucas on your screen that is hyper active.
I have no idea what you're on about right now.
Like
I'm
when
just
you click
using it. It's okay. Don't worry. I'm messing around and finding out. That's what I'm on about. I don't even know what I'm doing, honestly. Harold can vouch for that.
Yeah, this guy has no idea.
About just brute forcing his way to the game. Now.
Yeah.
It's all just luck.
You know, before you type in any character, you like roll a dice and look in the ASCII value. Okay, it's this one now.
Yeah, wait. Random
Yes.
picker. There.
No. To make it more entertaining, use like a wheel, you know.
Yeah, it is a
Yeah,
wheel.
Wheel of Names.
Oh yeah.
I use
So,
this website a lot, actually.
don't ask why these are my presets.
It's what Bro's gonna eat.
Okay, so we're gonna GPT how to
Dog.
do gravity. Okay, then
No, he's telling dog.
update vector to planet. And what's the third option? Do we have a third
What
option?
you gotta do, Lucas, is you gotta have
project. No.
no, Lucas, you gotta have like the same options like 10 times, and then have another option that is called like go outside. That is a super small percentage.
Okay, we're just gonna spin this wheel. How do I spin it?
Yeah.
Okay, let's see.
Touch grass.
No,
No, wait, do
touch
another
grass.
option. Oh no.
Touch grass,
We
bro.
cooked. We cooked.
Damn it! I was hoping on the
Update vector
GPT
to
one.
dot dot.
I was hoping on the
Spin
GPT.
again, bro. You just spin again.
Yeah, spin again, guys. That was just a warm up, all right.
Yeah. 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 Okay. Spin again. Wow. It's we're still warming up here.
It's third time's the charm. Am I right?
know this.
Yeah. Third time's the
Yeah, there.
Alright, bro, this is it.
This
Oh,
is it. This
yeah,
is it. No, but I think I could do just a because I go through each body anyways over here, and then I could just everybody needs to wait. Yeah, everybody, everybody needs to be applied. The third option should be to guess. Actually, no. Let's see. Because I think I'm probably doing it more complicated than I need to do it. Using.
Just ask ChatGPT for a third option.
Nah, I'm using Jolt for
Just
physics.
make that the third option.
I don't wanna use flat gravity. For my gravity, but rather rather a planet, so a point of origin as the center. Yes. Is there a inbuilt feature? There's no built-in planet gravity or gravity, only the global constant, yes. But implementing point-based gravity like a planet is straightforward. Apply your own force towards the center every update, yes. Set 0 and then apply constant. So for each body ID, body lock right. Wait, how the fuck do they get them? This is dynamic bodies. Okay, so I assume they store them somewhere in some place and then they can just lock it or locks. If it fails, then they continue, or if they lock it, then they lock get body. And then vec direction planet center get position direction normalize gravity direction, and then they just add the force. Then they optional realistic, you could do this square distance. And then multiply by the masses. Okay. I mean, Okay, so basically that is how you would have to do it. Okay. I was thinking of doing that, but I thought maybe there's a smarter way. So hear me out. You tell a trusted adult on how to make gravity. Hmm. Now that would be a pretty good thing to do. Ask an adult. Sadly, we don't have that option.
Ask yourself.
Lucas, how would you do this? Anyways, we got this thing over here. This is where we kind of like, I wonder, should I first apply the force? I kind of have to do it after. Because here I just take in the previous what just happened and afterwards I can apply. So what I should do here is, I think I should
Yo, guys,
do.
I'm gonna go now, but I'll be back in like what, 2 hours maybe.
All
So
right.
probably after this stream is done.
Yeah, I will probably hit the bed. I need to wake up early tomorrow, so.
But
Yeah.
tomorrow I only have 2 lessons. That's actually insane. 1.5 hours in total.
That's crazy.
Yes.
And that's,
Anyways, see you later.
see ya.
See you later.
Oh no, stop that.
That was Harold before he went.
Why do I call it bodies? This should be called body. What the fuck have I done?
What have I done?
I did a hot reload, lol. Diamond up. Hello, Lucas. Is it fine if I take a few thousand of your cheese wheels? Do you have cheese wheels? I guess I never knew I had them. So you yes. What is a cheese wheel? So we could do it. Wait, that's like, is that the physics body? No, that's a body interface. Ah, okay. So how do I get the body from that? Okay, so I got the body. Basically that's what whatever. I think I can pretty much do a should be doobie dooba body dot apply bounce impulse. Apply impulse? Was it impulse? I think it was impulse they suggested. Add force, yeah. Add force. And here, let's see. I don't want to do it if it's the planet though, so that is a bit of a yikes. Because then the planet will be... I need to get the planet in the beginning. In the beginning. Well, actually, I don't need to. All of them will just be applied towards the... I just have to see that they're dynamic, right? Not the damn fire alarm. Thanks, Lucas. Yeah, no worries, Diamond. Fire. I see. Oh, Harold doesn't know, but that fire alarm is so annoying. Okay, so what we're gonna do is that we take... Basically, we have the origin, right? And if something is in the positive, we want it to go towards the negative, right? So, what we can do is that we also got the position in the transform. So, how... Isn't it just taking the minus and then normalizing it? I think that would be enough. So I can just do a const force is equal to transform that position. And then we will also have to normalize this one. And set dot vec normalize. Because the planet will always be assumed to be in the center right now. And then we can put in force here, like so. And let's see how does this perform. Expected type. What? What's it is expecting? Body.
Holy shit. Bro, I just found out that in university,
Mm-hmm.
the one I'm attending, I thought we're doing C in in like the module I'm taking. Bro, we suddenly switched to C++. Like what? Like that should be a crime.
What is unsafe? Shouldn't that be... That will just be a double pointer. So I cannot add a force on this thing. Come on, that's... Oof, 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 oof. What are my other options? Const bodies is equal to self. Physics systems that get mutable unsafe. Well, that's exactly what I want. Yes. Use a functor and what the fuck are you on about? Bodies. Let's see. I'm not feeling a very strong attraction towards the planet. I think there should be a force here. Let's see. Ah, wait, it unclear. But no, okay, it's lying. It's just lying right now. Let's multiply. Let's make it 100 times stronger. Something is wrong though. Right, I cannot do that. And it's probably a bad idea to do this actually. I should store it as a U32, if I'm totally honest. But I do have shit. So who wants? Wait, what happened?
I'm so happy that I'm not writing C++ code. Holy shit.
So who wants to take a wild guess on what gives Lucas the idea to create a gravity system for some random planet simulation? It's not a simulation. It's gonna be a game, okay? Trust me, bro. It's just gonna take a while. What I could do here is I could do an ansat vec. Nah, I could not. Wait, but I can do this. I can do ansat vec that multiply scale. It is. I always forget this. And it's first. Is it the vector and then the scale? Yeah. So I'm gonna scale it by. Why am I putting it on? Oh yeah, that's correct. By 100. Yeah, that should be it. Boom. Feel the gravity. Nothing happens. Fine. Nah. What is going on? Let's see. Gravity. And then I'm just gonna say force. Like so. Let's see. Well, there is something going on at least, and even if I multiply it by 100, but it seems like the force is neglected. I'm not moving. Nor is anything else moving. Or is it moving? I need more speed. Are you having a great time moving? No, it's not having a great time moving. But it says that though. Well, something is going on over here. What the hell? What if we do impulse instead? Impulse. How about that? Let's try impulse. Now that's more like it. But why I'm not moving? I'm also a camera player thingy. I should also be moving. Okay. Yeah, okay.
Holy shit, I hate German, it's actually insane.
Would you speak German?
Yes, I hate it.
Perfect.
I
Don't
swear,
know.
German makes everything sound so complicated. It's not even real.
I wonder why is the player not moving though. I should also have the be applied the effect. It's kind of nice though. I can walk around without problems, but I should also be affected by this. Let's see. Let's spawn in some cubes and do a hot reload and see. I think it. Let's see. Although I think they will probably like to stay in. Yeah, there's more now, but we can't really see them. Oh, there they are. I forgot to put them higher up. Yeah. Nah, that's amazing. Boo! Bye! Yeah, okay, that works. Yeah. And they come back. Yeah. Yeah, that's okay. What we could
Wait, can I
do.
get attracted now? Wait.
Yeah, they do get attracted. What we can do is we could change this to take in. We can take in the player position in the spawning. Player pass. And let's just make it a. What should I do it? I'm just gonna do a F32. What am I doing? F32. We are not gonna manipulate the player position inside of here. Again, I'm doing something funny. What am I doing? Wait. Nah, whatever. I don't know. Nah, let's just. We're gonna say that it's equal to the position of the player when we spawn a cube. So it's equal to player position, like so. And then we're gonna change it. Where do I have the spawn box here? So we're gonna have the player position. I think we should have it somewhere very easily convenient. Maybe we don't have it. Transform that position. And then we're gonna pass it in there as well, and then we can have it, and then we should spawn it there when we try to spawn something. Let's see. So yeah, hot reloaded. And then if I press K, there, we spawn the cube. And another one over there, and then we'll take another one over here. And another over there. They don't get applied immediately to the physics system because it's only on hot reload that they get registered for the physics system. I should probably think about how to fix that. I don't think it's too big of an issue, but it's okay. And let's see, hot reload that. I don't think I did a hot reload. Wait, let's do that. Now it should do a hot reload. Yeah. Boom. Now they all should start flying towards the planet. Wow! Yeah, I forgot it's not on key press, but there all of the colliders go towards the planet. Wow. Oh yeah, because they don't have a mass, so that's why add force didn't work. That makes sense. Pew! Go to the renderer, and we could also just, because we like to be funny. I like to be funny. We can disable that so we just see the colliders. I don't know if it makes it, I think it actually makes it harder to see. I'm just having a fun time right now, messing around, to be honest. Woo! That's crazy. That's amazing. That's so cool. That's so cool. But yeah, I think we have to initialize them with a mass. That's the problem that I don't do. Physics, let's see. So when we initialize them in here, angular velocity, do I do mass properties? Fuck, what do I do? Override. Override. What? Why is there a mass property override and override mass properties? What the fuck? Ah, my brain. What's the difference? Calc mass inertia. Oh no. Okay, let's go to GPT. Maybe GPT knows. Okay, I tried add force. Did not work. Add impulse did. Let's see, maybe it has an answer. My betting on is that I don't initialize the bodies with masses. outside of controlled forces are cleared of every simulation step. Ah, okay. So I have to do it before. Oh. Ah, that makes sense. Okay. Ah, okay. Then fuck my bet. Okay. Then we can go back to. We are in the physics. Woo. So here, you have to do it before this thing. Or before this thing. Can I still get the bodies before I do this? I will find out by trying, right? That's the best approach. That's how I like to do it. So we'll do 2 for loops. That's kind of funny. But we don't have to be perfect here. We just have to be working. We're gonna get the transform. We're gonna do all of these things. Oh, shit. And then we can remove this from here. We don't need to do this anymore. Wait, we do need that. This can go by, and yeah, add the impulse. Then we'll do the actual update, and then we'll apply.
Cheese to the cake.
Is it cheese to the cake? Yo. Okay, this should still, in theory, work the same way. Yes. And it did. Very nice. And then we could, let's see if we can change it now. So instead of doing add impulse, we'll do add force. And let's see if it goes crazy or what happens. What do you say, little cube over there? I don't think it did work though. I like the rotation there slightly.
Alright,
Just,
I will quickly watch a series with Fred while I eat.
eh?
I will be back later. Alright.
Let's see, what else did it say? Isn't there something else I'm missing? You call add force, then change the order, get motion. Oh yeah, if it uses why impulse appear to work, add impulse, but velocity over mass. Okay, it might be if mass is 0 that it defaults to 1, so you don't crash. And this, if it's 0 here, well then there's no problem for add force to just be 0, so then it has to be that I'm putting mass to be 0, or it's 0 by default. Steam summers are gonna be crazy. Planet game at the top of the list for real. Yeah, the progress never changed. It's never changed again. No, it has. Lucas is attracted to planet under 80 million years. What fire progress, but I loved it. Yeah, no, we had gravity. We had gravity. No, look, we have gravity. Add impulse. I just trying to figure out why I cannot do add force though. So, if I move a few of these away, they will start to fly back. Trust me, they do that. It's just slightly. They gravitate towards the planet. Look, I'm not touching it, and it goes towards the planet. And we have complex collision detection, so or mesh collision. You can see this planet collision here. It's not a box or a sphere. It's actually like the mesh itself. So that's pretty cool, I think. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Well, current progress. If you're talking about that thing, no. It has not changed. Why did you move? Anyways, I'm trying to figure out why the body is asleep. Add force doesn't wake it up. Now you're calling add force an unsafe pointer instead of via body interface. Hand is locking. Blah blah blah. Could be your force is way too small, not mass scaled. Unit mismatch. Your none's near. Can compute. Okay. I think it's probably because the mass is. What is the mass by default? You don't set mass. What? Oh wait, but I use dynamic. I don't use kinematic. Wait, no, other way around. Hmm. How many triangles that Broca show? You are like not going to draw more than 2 planets on the screen at the same time. Yeah, it's 300. Actually, it's only 300. No vertices. There's only 300 vertices. Yeah. Yeah, only 300 vertices in this thing. If I remember correctly, it's something like that, about 300. And of course, I'm not gonna be. If the planet at the moment, I can still do a pretty huge planet, right? Relatively huge without problems. But of course, I'm gonna make it so that it will be LODs once we get to a point where we have to start optimizing. But for the moment, this is fine. I don't care. You can see I'm rendering the whole planet. I actually don't need, like, at most I just need half of the planet, right? There's something funky going on with the camera here when I try to move into the planet. Making this camera work with the planet is gonna be fun, I'm saying. Lucas, do n-body physics on the n-body physics on the GPU? Wait, n-body? Nobody. Body physics. What is that? Body. Nah. I want n-body physics. What's n-body? What's that body physics? There's body physics. Did you mean just body physics? Then it makes sense. Ah. Was it so just like physics on the GPU? Yeah, no, I'm not gonna do. Oh yeah, there was suggested. Let's see. I'm thinking. I mean, I could, but it's kind of convenient just to use Jolt to do the physics for me. Because otherwise, I would have to spend quite significant time into it, and I'm not that keen on doing that. I tried to do basic AABB pollution detection, and I mean, no, wrong one. And body problem. Oops, I didn't see. I was just pressing. Introduction. Simulation. N-body simulation. Nah. Why can I not just n-body physics? No? N-body simulations. Yeah. Wow, look at that. We're getting there. Trust me. Okay, we're actually getting there. Second link. I'll be back. Alright, see you, penguin operator. So they use quad trees. Is there something that shows a little bit more of where it is? I like visual representations. Look at that. There is something. Crazy. Blind Lucas. Hey, don't judge me like that. Let's see, what is this? Cycles? Hours? Oh look, they're starting to clump up. That's pretty sick. Oh, so so they're all like applied to gravity, right? It's Finnish internet at its peak. I think I saw a video actually about this once. It was pretty cool because wait, let's take this thing again here. So what they did in the video though, what the fuck? How did I do that? Fuck. How do I close this thing? How did I do that? Okay, great. I have that thing there. I don't know how to get rid of it. Okay, great, like that. Easy, nailed it. Okay. So what I did it in the video is if you have this as the grid, whatever, you guys see it anyways. This was the grid, right? Bam. It was pretty cool because it was still doing with quad trees. And basically what they did, instead of doing everything being connected with everything, doing this should see how it affects this one over here and so on. What they did is that these ones within this cell, of course, they checked for everyone, but then they gave an accumulative number for this cell. So then these one in here checked each other and then got just compared to the accumulative number of this cell over here. About how they should affect each other with in regards to gravity. And I thought that was pretty sick. But I'm not doing that. Not yet, at least. I don't have that in plans. It would be cool, but we're not doing that now. We're doing whatever the hell this is. We are doing the most essential thing that we need in order to get the game done, not doing everything that is cool, right? I'm doing hot reloading because I feel like that's a very cool part of making a game. Cool part, essential part. I feel like I can prototype faster ideas. I can see them visually without having to restart the whole game. So I found that important. We're also gonna do a kind of like replay option because then I can quickly tweak values and see how things would have played out with different values. Hello, Muradashan. And Tota, holy frick, that's some NASA level of scientific paper. Nah. But yeah. Actually, I have to send a screenshot about this to a friend. Let me take that. I have a friend who spoke about this. Let's see. Where is he? There. Yes, why it's not because it's astrophysics related. Yeah. Okay, but let's see. Could we perhaps then change this? So what if I just did a add force and we just did a brutally huge number like 10,000? Are you gonna move this time? Oh, okay. Now it moves. Woo! Yeah, so we just needed a bigger number. And that's awesome. Now I just wonder, why is the player not affected by this? Let's see. Am I doing the player to be static or something? What am I doing with the player? The player is dynamic. Oh, why don't I get affected? What the hell? I should be affected as well, but I'm not. That's so strange, because that's kind of like what I would like to get now, is like the player being affected, so I could start implementing the camera to orientate correctly with the planet. I should also work on a capsule instead of using a box for the player collider. But let's get the player first. I think once we can get the player towards the planet, we can figure out which primitive shape would make most sense for the player. But before then, I'm not even on the planet right now, so I can't really try things out. And I am a dynamic I am a dynamic component type collider. Why am I not affected? Physics. Because I don't exclude the player in any kind of way. It's a transform. It should be applied to the transform as well of the player transform. So I really don't get it. I don't get it. Honestly, this is weird. Now this is freaking crazy. This is stupid. Why am I not being why am I not affected? Player, let's see. I don't do anything weird here, do I? Or maybe I am affected, but I'm not rendering the camera from the right spot. No, I should definitely be affected. Because if I did something differently, let's say if I went to physics, I know this for a fact will work. If I go to gravity, let's apply gravity to this. This will be interesting. What will happen actually? If I say 10, everything should go downwards because it's Vulkan. Why am I not flying? Why are they flying? Man, I should also be flying. This is unfair. Wait, am I flying? I think I am. Yeah, I'm flying upwards. But a lot less than what they are. So it is, maybe it's working on me as well, but just like very, very poorly, you know? So now they should be coming back down, those my fellow cubes. There they are. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's awesome. So I don't understand. Player shouldn't have any form of less gravity applied to it than compared to the cubes. No, I am moving slightly actually. But why am I has such a much weaker force applied? That makes no nonsense. That's nonsense. Why do I not have the same amount of force applied to me that they have? I mean, if I just do it 2 magnitudes larger, maybe now I will be applied to it. Let's see. Yeah, now I'm also getting gravity. Look at that. Now I'm also getting attracted to the planet. Woo! Okay, so for some reason, the player's gravity is lesser than that of the cubes. That's okay. So now I walk around the planet. Oh, it actually kind of just works. It's a bit weird that I'm getting a little bit of a rotation problem. But it works. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna do a slight change in the logic of the player camera. Actually, I should hit the bed, but I'm not going to. We might get the. Is it called a Euler lock or a camping, some lock thingy? Where's my clamp? I know I have a clamp here. There. And then I think this should be fine around the planet. Let's see. Okay, so wait. Let's. So we're gonna walk here. Now we're walking around the planet, just like any normal. Okay, no, this is wrong. This is wrong. I need to figure out how to do the camera around the planet. Where is my camera? And also need to think about the gravity because these things. Well, I mean, I still think it's weird that I need to have a stronger force than they need. We'll look into the collider of the planets or player for the planet and we need a space jump button. Yes. Yeah, now we're going into the player controller, and after we have gone that, I think it's kind of like replay mode and multiplayer, which will be the next step. Yeah. Oh, that's freaking cool. We're getting somewhere. I know it's just simple colliders, but it's pretty fun to still just move around. Woo! I'm just enjoying the moment. All right, that will be it. Do you have anybody here in the chat, T-Chef? No? Cheesecake? Okay. Well, that will be it. I will see you guys tomorrow when we will start improving the player controls, so it will actually be possible to move around the planet. Maybe looking a bit more on the gravity, so we don't... it's not too bad that we have such a stronger effect, but maybe I have to change a little bit there. Yeah, I need to find resources on how to make a good player controller to move around a planet, because I don't really know how to do that. But it's okay. Alright, that will be it. Yeah, alright. Bye bye everyone, see you tomorrow.